how to fix the recovery server could not be contacted on macOS Mojave. So let's get started. Now once in macOS recovery, click install or upgrade macOS High Sierra. Then on the next screen from the menu bar at the top, select Window and then Installer Log. Now click the arrow next button and it will stall again and show the error. You will now see the error log at the bottom. Click the continue button. It will take 10 to 20 seconds for the recovery error to show up. When it does, go to the log at the bottom and scroll up to the very top and look for the lines. Then now click edit from the top menu bar and select copy. You now have the URL copied. Click the OK button on the recovery error to exit back to the main menu. Now click on the top menu bar utilities and select terminal option available there. Now you are in the terminal app. Let's paste the last section that we grabbed from the log. Click edit from the top menu bar and select paste. Now highlight this URL and click command C or edit to copy. You are now back at the main command line. Now type in the following commands, then select paste. You will need to remove the S from HTTPS, so it will send the command over port 80 from this to this. Now when complete, hit enter. You will now be back at the command line and exit terminal and go back to the main menu. Now no reboot is needed. Click install macOS High Sierra. You will now be able to click past and install it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.